Turn me into a fucking ego, bro. Let me just screech through the air. Flap, flap, screech. The video starts now. Fly through nature. I love nature, man. I love nature. I can't wait till, like, my music videos in, like, nature in the future are gonna be the best, bro. So what? Is this all I do? I just fly? Like, I mean, this is what I expected to play this, but still, like, hold on. Fly. Up. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful birdie. Dude, I wish I was an eagle, man. Chat, I'm starting to get my old haircut back, bro. The one I loved, bro. Chat, that's the goal, bro. Like, I hope I stay this, like, looking. I hope I look this young when, like, my destiny is finally, like, when, like, I finally, I can't explain it. When I finally, like, when my time comes and shit. Like, I hope I still look young and shit. I hope I'm a young. I hope I don't age, like, really fast, bro. I hope I stay looking young for a while. In fact, I'm going to pray to God. God, he always answers my prayers. Because God is God. Hold on. God, thank you for making me look young forever. God bless you, man. Thank you, God, for making me not age like a druggie. You see all the, like, that Home Alone motherfucker. Motherfucker went from a good-looking actor to a druggie. But what was I gonna fucking say? Oh yeah, but I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, don't do drugs, obviously. That's not what I was gonna fucking say, though. What was I gonna fucking say? Damn it! I fucking forgot. Oh yeah, guys, whenever you pray, like, I know some people don't believe in God, but this goes out to all the people that do believe in God. Fucking, to all the people that do believe in God, when you pray, always pray as if it's already been answered. Like, because that's like the state of manifestation, all that shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you pray, believe you have received. It's like, everything you ever could desire, ask for is already yours. I don't want to preach that anymore. Oh shit, where do I go? But I always, dude, I'm so, like, I always talk to God, man. I'm telling you, man, having a relationship with God is the best thing ever, man. I love God so much. God is truly beautiful. I'm a beautiful birdie. I'm a beautiful birdie. Oh, shit. Where do I go? I'm just flying through the air. Flying through the air. I'm telling you, man. Nature's... Dude, I want to go... Bro. Oh my god, bro. Give me, like, a place like this, bro. Let me camp here. Oh my fuck. Can I go in the water? Oh, fuck. Wait, what just happened? What the fuck? Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh fuck. shit. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm falling down. Oh fuck. No, but never mind. I'm not gonna say it. It would have made no sense. This is beautiful though, bro. There's literally like all I'm doing in this game. I'm gonna go over there. All I'm doing in this game is just flying like a bird. I hope in the afterlife, bro. Like I hope if there, like, you know, there obviously is an afterlife, but I hope in the afterlife I'm able to like just like fucking fly as a bird. Like I just tell God, yo, God, turn me into a fucking eagle, bro. Let me just screech through the air. Flap, flap, screech. Let me just screech through the bright lights of heaven. Has heaven melt on my tongue. My little birdie nose. The breeze flies through my pecker. Flap, flap, flap. This is beautiful, bro. If heaven doesn't look like this, bro, I don't want to go to heaven. I'm sure heaven does look like this. Heaven's heaven. The fuck? Or whatever the afterlife is, I'm sure it looks like this, you know? Beautiful. So beautiful. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. This is so beautiful. Flying through the air. Screech! Oh no. But like I was saying, oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna say now. So see my hair, like my current hair, like I hope I get my fucking, you know, my style, like the fucking style I'm obsessed with. You know, my fucking was it my crab champions like thumbnail? You know, I showed it in my stream. I hope I have that exact cut for that my like future, bro. In fact, I'm gonna pray to God to make sure. God, thank you for making me have that exact cut for the future. I swear, bro, just pray, man. I'm telling you guys, just pray. Just pray. Pray to God. Wow. This is beautiful. Truly beautiful. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Bro, shit's going down the wire. Alright, I'm done. Wait, hold on. There's more. There's more. Eat worm. Wait, how do I... Hold on, I want to eat a worm real quick. Hold on. What can I do? What are all the options I can do? Is there more shit? Days 1? Hold on. Wait, hold on. The fuck? Shit, where do I go? I'm done.
Extra large money.